Don't go anywhere. I have 5 childbirth myths that you need to know about. Myth 1, your epidural ran out. More likely what happened is your labor progressed quicker than that epidural could keep up. Sometimes closer to the end of labor, especially if it's not your first baby, that pain can really intensify because your cervix is changing really rapidly, and that epidural, which was working before, now is having a hard time keeping up with those increasing pain levels at the rate they're going. If this happens to you, ask your nurse to get you a top-up, which is a bigger dose of medication in through that tubing. Myth 2, if you had a C-section, they pulled your inner organs out. Sometimes I'll hear people say, hey, my partner said they looked over the drape and they saw my intestines out and on the table. That actually didn't happen. Your doctor will definitely move your organs out of the way inside your body, but the only organ that might come out, depending on the provider, is your uterus when they are closing it up. Myth 3, you're going to feel an instantaneous bond with your newborn. That doesn't always happen. Now, I know that this is what society tells us is going to happen, but for a lot of people, that bond isn't instant and it takes a little while to rev up. Spend lots of time with your baby and increase the amount of skin to skin that you're doing. And just be patient, it'll come. Myth 4, my epidural gave me chronic back pain. While this might be true for a very, 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 very small amount of people, what has likely happened is that you have chronic back pain from being pregnant and from childbirth itself. If you don't believe me, you can ask an anesthesiologist friend. And myth 5, delayed cord clamping is really good for baby. Just kidding, delayed cord clamping is amazing. I was just checking to see if you were still here at the end. Do we need a part 2?